Hey everyone, let's dive right into this explainer. If you're a digital entrepreneur trying to scale, you've probably hit what I like to call the invisible wall of payment friction. Today, we're exploring an awesome platform called CardUpNow, and we're going to see exactly how digital-first infrastructure is totally changing the game for modern media buyers and agencies. And remember, you can check them out anytime by visiting CardUpNow.com.
You know the feeling, right? You're scaling a Meta or TikTok ad campaign, pushing past that $1,000 a day mark, and boom, the algorithm slaps you with a shadow ban. You're on a massive winning streak, your return on ad spend is looking beautiful, and then your payment method just gets flagged out of nowhere. Suddenly, your best account is locked in review purgatory. It's incredibly frustrating, it's expensive, and it literally kills all your momentum.
So we're going to fix this by upgrading your payment infrastructure. Today's roadmap is super simple. We'll look at the payment friction problem, what a virtual card actually is, the technical edge of high-trust bins, security and flow, real-world scaling, and finally, the actual ROI of stability. Let's get into it.
Starting with Section 1, the payment friction problem, and exactly why traditional banks just kind of fail us here.
It's a stark contrast. Traditional banks, they're slow, they're rigid, and honestly, they often issue cards with what the industry calls dirty bins that ad platforms just instantly distrust. But on the flip side, CardUpNow's virtual cards give you instant deployment right on high-trust networks. It's basically a dedicated bridge built for the actual speed of the internet.
Moving right along to Section 2, what is a virtual card? We're talking digital-first infrastructure. We kind of need to redefine what a card even is in 2026. A virtual prepaid card is a 100% digital Visa or MasterCard. There's absolutely no plastic shipping to your house. You create it instantly right on your screen, and you get a live 16-digit number, an expiry date, and a CVV. It works exactly like the plastic in your wallet, but without the annoying manual setup or waiting around for bank approvals.
Now, we really need to clear something up, because there's a lot of confusion out there. CardUpNow gives you real, working, virtual cards that you fund for actual purchases. These are absolutely not those sketchy fake card generators you see online that just spit out random, unusable numbers that fail the second you hit checkout. We're talking about live payment vehicles perfectly recognized by the global financial system.
Okay, Section 3, the technical edge, and why high-trust bins are an absolute game changer.
Look, to understand why you're getting banned, you have to understand the BIN, or Bank Identification Number. It's just the first 4 to 6 digits of your card. When you plug that card into Facebook or Google, those digits tell them exactly which bank issued it and, crucially, what its financial trust tier is. If your card is getting banned the absolute second it touches a new ad account, it's probably because you're using a low-tier prepaid bin that triggers automated alarms.
And this is CardUpNow's core advantage. They use high-trust bins that the algorithms recognize as premium cards, not generic burners. Plus, they're actively rotating their card pools to filter out any declined ranges. So by investing in these premium bins, you're essentially buying a bulletproof insurance policy for your agency's revenue.
Next up, Section 4, security and flow, going straight from USDT to live spend.
The operational flow here is incredibly slick. Step 1, you fund your dashboard wallet using crypto, usually USDT on the TRC20 network for speed and super low fees. Step 2, instantly generate your Visa or MasterCard. Step 3, safely deploy that spend across your ad networks. You completely bypass that agonizing 3-day wait for a bank wire. Fun fact, traditional cross-border wires can bounce between up to 6 intermediary banks. Here, the second the blockchain confirms your crypto, you spin up your card and launch.
And the privacy-first approach is huge. First off, absolutely zero KYC required. Just an email, and you're in, which totally removes onboarding friction. Second, it's locked down with bank-level PCI DSS 256-bit encryption. And third is strict compartmentalization. Since these are prepaid, your risk is literally capped at the balance you load. It creates this brilliant financial shield between your personal bank account and the wild west of the internet.
All right, Section 5, real-world scaling and managing a virtual fleet. If you're an agency managing multiple clients or campaigns, you don't just need a single card. You need a full-blown command center. This platform lets you issue an entire fleet of cards instantly. You can assign them to specific clients, set custom spend limits, and avoid accidental overspend. Because using one single card for everything? Yeah, that's just asking for trouble. By creating a unique card for every project, you stop the ripple effect. If one ad account gets flagged, it only affects that one card. The rest of your business doesn't even blink.
So how does this actually play out in the real world? The sources outline some seriously proven use cases you can find at CardUpNow.com. Number 1, running high-volume ads on Meta, Google, and TikTok. This is honestly where it shines brightest. Number 2, paying for crucial SaaS tools like OpenAI or Shopify. Number 3, everyday online business shopping on Amazon. And number 4, managing all those recurring subscriptions. Because it's a premium Visa or MasterCard, it works seamlessly pretty much anywhere in the world.
In fact, the source material gave this platform a massive scalability score of 9 out of 10. That just highlights its pure operational dominance for global entrepreneurs and media buyers. It's built for serious scale, not just buying a cup of coffee.
Let's wrap up with Section 6, the ROI of stability, and breaking down the cost.
Let's be completely transparent and look at the typical agency setup fees. There's a one-time account activation fee of $50. Then, it's $5 for every new card you issue, alongside a 5% top-up fee when you load funds. Now, I know what you're thinking. That initial $50 fee might sound a bit steep if you're just looking to grab a single subscription. But for a serious scaler, it's actually a brilliant feature.
Here's why. That $50 activation fee acts as a filter. It keeps out low-intent users and fraudsters. By protecting the ecosystem, it guarantees the bin pool stays completely clean and highly trusted by massive merchants like Meta and Google. It's an upfront filter that ensures you're getting a rock-solid infrastructure, allowing you to spend aggressively without nervously waiting for a payment decline.
There's this incredible quote from the source that just hits the nail on the head. It says, "A free card that results in a banned $50K a month ad account is the most expensive mistake you can make." Chasing free low-tier banking might save you $5 today, but it will eventually cost you your whole business when the algorithm flags that cheap card. You aren't just paying for a string of numbers, you're paying for pure stability.
So it all comes down to one final question. If the future of your business is digital, rapid, and borderless, why are you still trusting its survival to banking infrastructure built in the 1970s? Isn't it time to stop fighting your bank and start scaling your spend? You can upgrade your infrastructure right now by visiting CardUpNow.com. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I will catch you on the next one.